The Shark NeverChange Air Purifier HP152 is a smart, low-maintenance air purifier designed for medium to large rooms, focusing on long-lasting filtration, strong allergen removal, and odor control. It's especially suitable for homes with pets, dust, or smoke where you want clean air without frequent filter replacements. HEPA-exceeding nano-seal filtration, 99.98% capture. This purifier uses Shark's anti-allergen nano-seal filter, which exceeds standard HEPA performance by capturing 99.98% of particles, including ultra-fine pollutants as small as 0.1, 0.2 microns. It effectively removes dust, pet dander, smoke, and airborne irritants. Odor neutralizer technology. It includes a built-in odor neutralizer cartridge, which helps eliminate bad smells from pets, cooking, or smoke while releasing a light, fresh scent, keeping your indoor air smelling clean. CleanSense IQ, real-time air quality monitoring. With CleanSense IQ sensors, the purifier continuously monitors air quality and automatically adjusts fan speed. It also shows real-time air quality feedback on the display so you can see improvements instantly. Large room coverage, up to 650 Schrift. The HP152 can purify spaces up to around 650 Schrift in 1 hour, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or apartments. It's designed for efficient coverage without being too bulky. Debris defense pre-filter, easy maintenance. A washable pre-filter system captures large particles like hair and dust before they reach the main filter. This extends filter life and keeps performance consistent while being easy to clean. Quiet operation and sleep-friendly design. The purifier runs quietly with low noise performance and dimmable lights, making it suitable for bedrooms or nighttime use without disturbing sleep. Compact and user-friendly design. Despite its strong performance, it has a compact, lightweight design, A7.25 laws, with an easy-to-use control panel that displays fan speed, filter status, and air quality clearly. Overall, the Shark NeverChange HP152 is a great choice for users who want powerful air purification with minimal maintenance. Its HEPA-exceeding filtration, odor control, and long-lasting filter make it ideal for allergy sufferers, pet owners, and anyone looking for cleaner air without frequent upkeep.